Good morning, Rakex01 here. I'm going to start this how-to video off with a question. If you've got a completely seized up bolt that's in an awkward position and the head's ruined and you can't get a spanner or a screwdriver or grips onto it or anything like that, how do you get the bolt out? And what I normally do is I basically weld a lever onto it. So we're going to try and get that bolt out. It's got a posi-drive head which is next to useless anyway, and this bit's in the way. It's on a moped. So what I've done at the moment, I've made this lever, just any old bit of metal really will do, just a bit of scrap metal, and I'll drill that hole that's the same diameter as the head of the bolt and made it fairly thin around there to clear that bit of casting, so the bolt will start turning, before the lever gets stuck. And you've only got to turn it very slightly and your quid's in, because it's basically unseized the bolt. So what we're going to do now is weld that lever onto the head of the bolt and give it at the right angle so it can turn a bit when it's welded on. So that's what we'll do next. Right, so we'll put that lever onto the bolt head and we'll give it a tap on, because it's quite a nice accurate size hole. It gives it a nice grippy fit. That's it. So it should give it a bit of degrees of rotation with that on there. Now we get the welder. Let's get a bit of weld. I think that's got it. So we should now be able to get a bit of rotation on the bolt. I need a drift or something. Yes, it's turning. That's it. That's very easy. Actually, the heat probably helps as well. This is on. The bolt actually in that cast alloy stuff. So now we're going to take the lever off. So we've got to grind the lever off or something like that to remove it from the bolt, and then you can actually unscrew the bolt. So I probably won't bother to show the rest of the operation because it's quite obvious. So that's how you free a seized bolt with a ruined head. So thanks for watching.